10 long though. Oh, you want both?
Pull them both off.
Oh, and you're gonna
touch them together and
tap
we're
it.
good to go.
Instead of waiting half an hour thing, you do that.
Here in a minute.
That was the Hamilton. Dude, it was so bad driving to Hamilton.
Stop tab. Plus.
Look at that. Yeet. The 10. I got the 10, but you might need an extension.
Yeah, which is way easier than berries.
There you go. Maybe it's been changed already.
This one that sits in the clip. There, yeah.
Take the wheel.
You can't even put vice grips on it to drive it. What the?
Alright, bug out. Isn't this what F1 drivers? This is their life, right? Switching out. It's actually pretty cool. They just take the
Right?
thing. It has all
It's a little quicker than this, though.
Is it? You sure?
I think so.
No.
I hope so. No, that one has that clip there. And those. Okay, cool. It was a lot of beers ago.
Was sitting for so long in the cold.
It might have. It wasn't Peter's a bit of a get off too.
Yeah, that was too.
This thing was just like, yeah, whatever.
Well, it's a 300. It's not a Magnum.
Exactly.
Hey?
A little high class,
Hey?
a little easier life.
Wow.
Just like that.
Huh.
Took it off of Barry's mint too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. That was easier. Okay, let's put the battery back on. Woo! She's in love with you now.